Today we're going to take a look at Blokees Transformers Classic Class Starscream and B-127. The figures are very fun to build. As you can see, they don't take too long and don't need any glue or extra tool. Pieces apart, they both come with extra accessories. B-127 comes with 2 interchangeable heads, 2 sets of hands, interchangeable cannon and blades, and the Lita 1 vehicle form. Starscream comes with 2 sets of hands and Megatron vehicle form. The articulations are very good for their size, the metallic colors look great and the lighting feature is very cool. I think they are a very nice product to have for the fans of the franchise. I would have loved them as a kid. Blokees is doing a very good job with its Transformers Classic Class line. Seeing is believing.